The Nigerian genius.
My name is Umanah Daniel Peter, representing Team UNIUYO at the Nigerian Genius Competition 2023. We are here live at Clintonel Innovation Center. Today we have been given grace to continue our project. Although we are supposed to do our finals today. Today was supposed to be the grand finale, but we were told to continue with our work. That's been adjourned to tomorrow. Okay, for my colleagues, they are working. You can see them at the back there. They are trying to figure out a problem on our Arduino code. So, but today we've gone past some issues we had yesterday. Although we were faced with Arduino issues, like I've talked about Arduino, we had Arduino got burnt. Even our Bluetooth module went haywire. Even our motor driver had the same issue. But however, we've replaced that. We've continued our installation, and the progress is still ongoing. Then for our robot is meant to replace the farmer due to Boko Haram insurgency in the north. We've taken the northeast as our area of concentration. The northeast, which is faced by terrorism. However, we as engineers have been tasked to solve that problem. That is why we came up with the plan of creating a farming robot that will work for the farmer while the farmer is at home. As engineers, we don't want to go into that point where we'll be having issues with people. So we will build it without encroaching into another man's patent. For today, we will still continue doing our tasks till Mama's call. We will continue pressing hard to make sure we achieve 100% completion. Nevertheless, we were visited by one of the industry experts. His name is Mr. Emeka, Engineer Emeka rightly. He came all the way from Scotland to visit the Nigerian Genius contestant. He came to interview us in our different cubicles, advise us on way forward, that we should not allow what we've learned here to go in vain. We should take that to the bigger society. We should be persistent, like the CEO of this great innovation center, Mr. Tochukwu, that he is persistent, he has focus. Said we should emulate him. He also, during our closure, our final stay with him, he gave a grant of 150,000 naira each to the team with innovation, and 150 to the other team with a sense of recycling. We use our project to make the environment safe, make the farmer safe, and also produce food. Food will help Nigeria escape the problem called food crisis. If we don't plant enough, we will not have enough. So an hungry man is an angry man. We want to make this food enough so that everybody be happy in Nigeria. God bless Clintonel Innovation Center. God bless Nigeria, and God bless you out there. Thank you for watching.
The Nigerian genius.